AS3X technology, e-flite UMX Radian, you may have seen a Park Zone. It's a microplane under the sub 250 category today. It's a glider, I believe it's 4 channels and many videos out there. And you're going to see very little videos today. Is it a discontinued plane no longer being made? I don't know. I have a DX6. It's very simple to set up. It's very self-explanatory and there is nothing to it. Simply turn on your radio, shut off the RF, make a name and choose the acro. That's it, you're done. You just go fly. But if you want to add dual rate expo to this switch, it's a 3 switch. You can add high rates, medium rates, and low rates. Everybody puts in about 15 to 20% expo and they keep 100 on the rudder, aileron, and elevator. They also go down to 85 for the medium and 70 for the low. They have a cutoff so the propeller don't go. You can add some voices to it. Not hard to do, we'll show that in another video. If you've never seen what the plane looks like and you are a true beginner, that's what it looks like inside. The one thing you do need to read is the manual. Nowhere in the manual is going to tell you how to set up with your DX radios. It'll tell you how to bind it. 43 grams, tells you how to charge the battery, give you some information. All good information to read. This is the 150 mAh 1S 3.7 volt 25 C rated batteries. If I recall from my older videos, you can go up to a 45 C rating and a 250 mAh battery and have unbelievable runtime. I don't use their USB charger. It doesn't work. Now look right here. That's the USB charger now on my adapter. Well, that's a good thing. Don't throw them out. You can always modify it. This is the oldest style one that was given from other planes and quadcopters. And this is how I utilize it. From a 0.1 amp to a 0.70 amp. I could take this cable, bring it to my HTRC C240 dual charger, and charge my battery at the correct balance. So all that's put to the side. You have some stickers, some tape, and some Velcro. If you read the instructions, you would know exactly what they're for. And you have 2 little set screws. They don't give you a screwdriver, a micro screwdriver, especially a magnet one. And you will lose those bolts, screws, set screws. Trust me, they're micro small. You drop it, they're gone. What does the charger look like, you say? That's the charger. Sells for about $5 to $10. You can get yourself one of these for $5 to $10. Put this to the side. Don't bother to use it. Well, how do I get this apart and set it up? Well, take the tape off, of course. I want to keep mine in a box, and I want to make sure I have a good flight every single time. Normally this would be covering on the aircraft to protect. Not at all. Laying to the side. Super careful with this area. There's the aircraft. These are foldable props. The one thing I remember is these set pins. You need to put a little glue so they don't slide out and fall out. This is the wing. The wing's got a nice curve to it. Sometimes the stickers are bubbled. This one just a little bit of a crease, not too bad. You slide the wing through, and this is the first 4K Radian review. Over here is where the set screws go in, and what you're going to do is you're going to simply slide it, feel for it, and you can basically fly the plane just like so. On the bottom of the aircraft over here, you're going to put your 2 set screws in, and you're good to go. There are no wheels to land. There is a little skid plate over here, and your battery goes over here in this particular area. There's a piece of paper that you do remove for the first time, and it hides the set screw. It also pulls out the JST plugs. Find your battery, find the Velcro. There's a piece of Velcro right here. Your battery will line in. And you want to measure your CG. In the manual, I think it said like 32 or something. Once you find your CG point, you'll have an excellent flight indeed. That wasn't too hard. I normally take 2 pencils and I line it up. Once I find my CG, I may make 2 little circles to put some tape or whatever. And this is where the tape over here, put it on the right or left hand side for your orientation when you're flying and the plane is above you. It's a nice looking plane. It has an air vent in the front. You can take the tape off on both sides, and then this will come off in the back as well. This is your elevator. It goes up and goes down. This is your rudder. It goes left and right. That controls the plane. Then your AS3X, whenever you move it, is going to make a noise and it's going to keep it on a straight line. There are hacks to take that off today, I heard. So that's about it, all I wanted to show you. Simply pull your wing off, put it back in, make sure it goes in the correct way, and carefully place back your plane. And you want to put everything back the way it came off, so you can go fly another day. You're looking at 5+ years of Radians online. Not that many out there today. You're looking to get into the hobby, the hobby's own champ, the Radian. And then if you're looking to get a little bit better with 4-channel, look at the Sports Car Best. Those are the planes that we like to fly. These you could simply go find a park and go fly safe. On that note, I hope this unboxing review was very helpful to you, that you may want to get into the hobby. Get yourself a controller. Don't get the controller that comes with the unit. This is the controller to have. Does it all, spoken words, you name it. If you have any questions today, please don't hesitate to ask down below. You'll see many videos to come, and I want to thank you very much for viewing. Have a great day. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe.
Launch mode. Throttle cut off. Mid rates, low rates, mid rates, high rates.
This is a mod that's only going to take a second. You want to get just a little bit of glue on these tips right here. Just for added measures, please don't use Instafoam. Use a Gorilla white glue or CA glue that's safe for foam. This is a foam nose, and the instant glue will melt this all away. Have a good day.